Hello friends, will you believe if I say one Excel function can replace your hours of manual work? No formula, no coding, and just a few click in Microsoft Excel? If you have large number of rows and columns and very messy data, and if someone asks you to create a beautiful table, cross table, next 4 minutes is going to be very productive for you, so please don't skip the video. I'm going to show you some very impressive magic of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so if you have a messy data and you want to create a beautiful table, I have a live example for you where I have 50 students data. We ask them what type of social media do you use, what's your gender, your age, and how many hours you spend per day to use your favorite social media platform. Okay, so I'm going to introduce a very beautiful feature of Microsoft Excel, which is known as pivot table, and this is one of the most powerful tools in Microsoft Excel. So to get a beautiful pivot table, you need to click and first insert, and then top left hand side you will see pivot table, select it, and then it asks you to select the data. So I'm going to select the data from here, and then next, so by default here I can see it's already been selected in existing worksheet, but sometimes you can see here maybe by default selecting to new worksheet. It's up to you. If you want to get a result in same worksheet, should be alright. You need to give a path, otherwise you can click on new worksheet as well. So here I'm going to select this cell as my outcome, where I will be getting my pivot table, and then select OK. So once you do that, you see here different fields will be appearing here in the window. You can see 4 different boxes, rectangular boxes, filters, columns, values, and rows. Now my variables of interest is gender. I want to get them in column, and then types of social media in rows. So you can just switch them. It doesn't matter if you get social media in columns and gender in rows. Okay, you can drag any one of these here in the values, which will count here. Look, isn't it a magic? So within few seconds you'll be able to produce this beautiful table. Now by the help of this table, you can further go for graphical representation of data. For example, if you want to get a beautiful bar chart, okay, I'm not going to tell more about it at this moment. Okay, we can do this using some conditional functions such as count ifs. If you want to have a look quickly, I'll show you here how to do that. If you simply type count ifs, this is a conditional function in Excel. Okay, so I just need to check data. So I want to calculate how many males, I want to count how many males they use Instagram, for example. So gender is in C and social media is in E. So count if, so C2 to C51 is my entire column for gender, and then double inverted comma I want to get for male, so you need to type male here, and then comma, and E is my column for types of social media platform here. So I will type again here E2 to E51. This is the best way to select the data. If we have really large number of observations, let's say 30,000, when you try to scroll the data, it will take a couple of minutes or maybe more than that. So better you guys use this thing. Okay, so let's type Instagram here, Instagram, and then bracket closed. Look at here. So I get how many males they use Instagram by using count ifs function. So this is a manual, I would say manual calculation of just using count if functions in Excel. Our result is 8, which is same as male Instagram. You can see here, right? So this is how we perform pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Okay, thank you so much for watching full videos. Please like us, subscribe us, and share the video if you really like it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.